How to start a YouTube channel in 2024. Hi, this is Bun. We will find the answer together. Stick around and let's dive right into it. First things first, to start your journey on YouTube, head over to youtube.com and click on Sign In. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one. Once you're signed in, click on this icon, go to Create a Channel, and follow the prompts to set up your brand new channel. Now that you've got the foundation, let's talk about branding. Your channel art is your first impression, so make it count. Design a compelling banner and eye-catching logo that represent your content. Consistency is key, so use the same colors and fonts across your channel for a professional look. Ready to share your content with the world? Click on the camera icon, then Upload Video. Choose your file, add a catchy title, description, and relevant tags. Thumbnails matter, so design one that grabs attention.
Pro tip: keep your videos engaging and informative to hook your audience from the start.
YouTube algorithm, your best friend on this platform. To get noticed, create content that keeps viewers watching. Thumbnails, titles, and descriptions play a crucial role in ranking. Use popular and relevant keywords, but remember, authenticity is key. And don't forget to engage with your audience through comments. Building an audience takes time, but a little promotion can go a long way. Share your videos on social media, collaborate with other creators, and participate in relevant communities. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Stay passionate, stay dedicated, and most importantly, have fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy creating!